Hi guys, I must have taken this video so many times just to try tell you what I'm trying to do with this kettle. What I've done is I bought this kettle because I wanted to make a steam boiler with the kettle. I thought it's the best thing to do, just put it onto the gas and off it goes in theory. So I'm not sure if it works. I'm trying to get it working. I've done a few things with it, like I've done it a few times to do this, that and the other, but basically I put that into there to try and get the steam out, and it didn't really work properly. But at the same time, this wasn't sealed here, this wasn't sealed down here, and this wasn't sealed here. Now, I'm not even sure if this is sealed right now this time, but I'm just going to try it right now. As you can see, I've dirtied it a lot. I'm going to clean it up a bit, and I put this one on top there thinking maybe the steam does rise to the top, so maybe it's better here than here. So I've got a hole there as well. I'll just show you the hole there as well. So that hole is to, you know, put the water in, and also I'm going to block it up with something, so if something happened that should pop in theory. But I'm hoping to get a cork or something, make this hole bigger and put a cork on it, so if it you know, gets too, the cork should pop off. Anyway, that's the idea of it, guys. And I use that putty that I use all the time nowadays, and I'm hoping that this is absolutely sealed. I'm not sure yet. So here we go. We're going to try and test it right now. I'm going to put hot water in there and put it onto the gas. Well, what I've got here is I had to redo this engine here onto another piece and try to work this engine through that. See, hopefully it works. In theory, I'm hoping that the pressure from this is greater than that little thing I've got upstairs, you know. So let's have a look. Okay guys, I've set it up very roughly, and I've cleaned up a little bit there, but I don't like this. This is kind of coming off now, so I think this particular putty is not as good as what I used to use. I'll put a little dowel in there, see how that goes. But I think worst come to worst, if this doesn't work, I'm going to have to solder all around here properly and solder this onto there, and then it should work after that. So let's have a go. I'm going to try it on right now. Still waiting for the kettle to boil there. Just to let you know, guys, that I put 2 of these bottles of water in there. It was hot, not hottish. Sorry, it was hottish, not very hot. So see how it goes. And that should have filled the kettle up to around about there anyway. Okay, the kettle started to boil now, so we should get some action in theory. There's a piece of steam escaping from there. Looks like the steam escaping from this end as well, and this end here. So, oh yeah, steam's gone. So definitely it needs to be raised on. I wonder if I can just hold on to it to get this going. Tightish. Okay, that's a fail. That's a fail. I have to solder that on properly. Hi guys, I'm sorry, I apologise, it didn't work that time, but I had done that before and the lid stayed on and there was steam coming out, so I don't know what's happened. So anyway, long and short of it is this, that I'm going to have to solder it and try again. If not, I'm going to get it brazed and try again. I'm pretty sure it should work. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, or leave a comment, show me what to do. Thank you very much. Bye.